In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make eye-catching thumbnails for YouTube Shorts using Canva. A strong thumbnail makes people stop scrolling and tap, and the good news is you can create one quickly, even if you're not a designer. Start by opening Canva in your browser. Once you're in, click Create a design and choose Custom Size. For YouTube Shorts, the recommended size is 1080 by 1920 pixels. That's a vertical 9:16 format, which fits perfectly on mobile screens, so your design won't get cropped or stretched. Next, choose a template or start from scratch. Templates are great for inspiration and can speed things up, especially if you like the layout. If you prefer full control, a blank canvas works too. Either way, you can customize everything. Add a background image or a solid color. Keep it simple and high contrast so your text stands out. Bold colors, clean textures, or a relevant image from your video can all work well. If your background is busy, choose one with some empty space where your text can sit clearly. Now add your text, keeping it bold and easy to read. Short phrases with punchy words are best because thumbnails are tiny on phones. Use large, thick fonts and colors that pop against the background. If you're using multiple words, emphasize the most important ones with size or color. To make everything pop, add elements like shapes, icons, or stickers. A simple rectangle or circle behind your text can create contrast and improve readability. Keep elements purposeful and avoid clutter so the main message is instantly clear. If you have a strong frame from your video or a photo of yourself, upload it and place it in the design. Position it so it doesn't compete with your text. Faces and expressive poses can really boost clicks, so give them space to shine. Take a moment to adjust colors, fonts, and positions for readability and visual impact. Think mobile first. Center your key message. Avoid placing text too close to the edges. And use contrast to guide the eye. Try aligning elements using Canva's guides to keep everything balanced. Preview your thumbnail and imagine it on a small screen. If you can understand it at a glance, you're on the right track. When you're happy, click Download and choose PNG or JPG. PNG keeps text and graphics crisp, while JPG is a smaller file size. Save it, upload it to your short, and you're ready to go. And that's it. That's how you make thumbnails for YouTube Shorts using Canva. Thanks for watching.